Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Williams at 10:30.
Okay. Can I have your name and insurance card, please?
Sure, my name is Sophia Smith. Here is my card.
Could you spell your last name for me?
Of course. It's Smith.
Thank you. Please fill out these forms.
Hello, Sophia. What brings you here today?
Hi, doctor. I haven't been feeling well since yesterday.
I see. What are your main symptoms?
I have a splitting headache and a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
I'd say it's about a 7.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't think so.
Let me check your temperature. It looks like a bad viral infection, possibly the flu.
Do I need antibiotics?
No, antibiotics won't help. You need rest and fluids. Take this medicine every 6 hours.
Understood. Thank you, doctor.
Hi there. Picking up a prescription?
Yes, please. Here it is.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Does this medicine make you drowsy?
Yes, so don't drive after taking it.
I got my medicine and I'm ready to rest. Stay healthy.